We are making a tiramisu cake. That is the best cake you're ever gonna have. Not too sweet. I can't talk about it. Is it authentic? No. Does it matter? Also no. Like, comment, subscribe. Put in the comments what you want me to make next. If you have any other questions or anything you want to know that I can talk about next time I'm cooking. Super moist. Everybody on the internet's gonna tell you, oh, bakery style cake hack, da 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 da. I've tried them all. Follow the back of the box. It's never gonna be as bouncy and moist. But these things are actually important. You have to take your eggs out at least a couple hours before you're gonna bake. That's what's gonna make your cake good, not the stupid egg and milk. Eggs, oil, water. I like to do it with a whisk, like a little arm workout. I go right arm, left arm. You don't have to go to the gym, and you can eat cake.
So next, why is your son so good looking?
Oh, well, why do you think?
They say he must have got his looks from his father.
Do you want to know the craziest thing? I have an automation. Every time I don't add the automation, Grocer's List tells me it's missing a link. Guess what video they looked at from 6 years ago? Husband reveal. I haven't been married in 3 years. People going back, searching that, and then watching the recipe and be like, oh, I want the recipe, but I didn't do automation back then. Before you put your cake in, just kind of go like this. My original Dunkin' Pods. Oh, this was one of my first brand deals. I still have it. Sweetened condensed milk. Espresso. So you need Kahlua. Why didn't they have the minis? Normally I get the little mini bottles. That's a really good tip. When you're making this cake, you don't have to buy a big thing of Kahlua. Just get the mini bottles. I always get the Hershey's cocoa powder. Now they have Nestle Kahlua. I got this off Amazon. You can get it in some specialty stores, but it's the best espresso powder. I'm gonna link it in the description box. You can actually even put this in your chili. It's a teaspoon of this. A little bit goes a long way. I'll mix. I made this tiramisu cake on TikTok like 5 years ago.
New bulk condensed milk, brewed coffee, espresso powder, cocoa powder, Kahlua, 1/3 cup, whiskey whisk.
A question from Lori.
Lori!
What was Grandma Joe's favorite recipe to make for everyone? Love you.
Ravioli. My grandma made homemade ravioli. I would also say probably her sauce. Your sauce, it's almost like becomes part of who you are. Perfect. This is what's going in.
Did you put the coffee in there yet?
Oh, I did not. Good calling it. 3 tablespoons. You taking pictures along the way?
Nope. And take screenshots.
Oh yeah. Use a fork, or you can use the back of a wooden spoon. Kind of prefer the back of a wooden spoon. Just poke it like 3/4 of the way through. If you hit the bottom, it's not the end of the world. But you want it when it's nice and warm, so then it's gonna seep in there.
What's the number one thing people mess up on?
Can you mess up a poke cake? I know, putting olive oil instead of vegetable oil in the box of cake mix. You don't even know. Let this just settle in, get comfy. You're gonna cover it. Okay, we're gonna put it in my back fridge. This is honestly, everyone needs to like, comment, and subscribe. I need a new house. Okay? Much, it's too hard, I can't. I need something townhouse where people actually do stuff. Look, my ham is in there. I'm gonna make this a very fluffy topping. So we're gonna use a little bit more heavy cream and stuff than normal. Really puffy on top. Because you're gonna need mascarpone. It goes to the party.
Someone asked, do you only have one son?
I have 2 sons. One is 25, one is 22. 25-year-old doesn't love being on camera. And contrary to what people like to say to me, which is like, oh my God, she never tells her other son. I don't force people to do things they don't want to do. Sometimes I post pictures of him, but he's not like, he doesn't love that. To each his own. Heavy cream. Just keep going until stiff peaks form. Some powdered sugar. Mix. Add, mix. See how nice that is?
It does look nice.
Put this on to go to sleep. Watch. Do like a whole video of this, and then everyone can fall asleep at night. Hush this.
This cake gonna get us drunk.
No. Stop the BS. Worry about that. It's a little nothing. More espresso powder. Kahlua. Okay, 1. If you want, you can add like a little bit of cooled coffee. That's what I call frosting. This is what we're looking for. It's so stinking good. No, you're not even waiting for Easter. We don't have time for you to wait for Easter. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should have put my Pam. I didn't do my Pam trick. Actually, if you put Pam on this, it won't stick, but it's not too bad. Just like coffee ice cream. Light up the room with a dollop right down the center. What do you bring into the Easter celebration? You're gonna say, tiramisu cake. Look, diddly-do, diddly-do. Spread it over. Doing a little whirly swirly. Look at the thickness. Look at this. Stop it. You don't understand. And you want to know what the best thing about this cake is? It's sweet, but not sickeningly, disgustingly sweet. Little diddly-do right here. You're just going to tap it. Just a little tap. This is cocoa powder, not espresso powder. Here comes the big reveal. Are you looking at this? This is the best cake. I forgot how good it is. I forgot. Okay, I don't know what else to tell you about life in this world, but I'm telling you right now, this is the best cake you're ever gonna have. That's the best cake you're ever gonna have in your life. Tiramisu cake, go to my description box, get the recipe, make it for Easter or whenever you're watching this, just make it. Like, comment, subscribe. Whatever you ask me, we're gonna talk about in the next video. Also, give me recipe requests.